All right, now the moment we've been building towards. Let's create a lab. From the teacher dashboard, click Create New Exercise or the plus Create New button. Lab creation is a clean 3-step wizard shown at the top of the page. Basic info, add questions, publish. Step 1 is all about the lab's identity. You fill in the lab title, main and optional subtitle, and a lab description in both main and sub fields. These help students and parents understand what the lab is about before they start. You can also add a lab introduction, an optional piece of text shown to the student before they begin the lab. Great for instructions or a warm-up message. Then you select the grade level, required, and optionally a specific class section to target the lab at one class, or leave it as all sections to make it visible to the entire grade. Next comes the subject, and optionally the country and semester to help categorize the lab for browsing. Then you set the difficulty level, the time limit in minutes, set it to 0 for no time limit, and the passing score percentage, which defaults to 60%. And here, in the advanced settings section, are the 2 premium exclusive features Emma mentioned earlier. Password protected means a random password will be auto-generated for the lab, and students will need to enter it before they can start. And private lab means the lab won't appear on the public browse page. It's only visible within the school and grade, accessible by direct link sharing only. Both are powerful tools for controlling who can access your content. When everything looks good, click Next, Add Questions to move to Step 2. Step 2 is where you build the actual content of your lab. On the left side, you have the question editor, and on the right, you see a running counter showing total questions, points, and minutes. For each question, start by choosing the question type, either multiple choice or true or false. Then type the main question text and optionally upload a question image, perfect for visual questions like name the human body part with an image of the lungs. For multiple choice questions, you fill in the answer options A, B, C, and optionally D. Then select the correct answer from the drop-down. You also assign a points value to each question. The question counter on the right updates in real time as you add questions, so you always know where you stand. If you need more questions, just keep adding. And if you need to exit and continue later, hit Save and Exit. Your progress is saved automatically. Once at least one question is added, the Add a Question to Continue button activates and you can move to Step 3. Step 3 is the final step, your exercise summary. This page shows you everything at a glance. The title, subject, grade, number of questions, time limit, and description, all confirmed before you go live. On the right side, you have 3 options. Hit the green Publish Now button to make your lab available to students immediately, or click Return to Dashboard to save it as a draft and come back later. If anything needs fixing, use Edit Questions or Edit Basic Info to jump back to the relevant step.